Before getting on the roof, make sure you have the following: fall safety equipment and PPE, such as a hard hat and gloves, a roof drawing to mark up with your inspection notes and observations, a tear sheet to note repairs needed or other issues, a pen or pencil to make notes, and a crayon or spray paint to physically mark areas of the roof that need work, a seam probe or trowel, mastic or liquid flashing to handle any small urgent repairs, a cell phone or camera to take pictures as needed. When conducting an inspection, it's important to know the roof layout before you access the roof, so you know what safety guidelines you must follow. Whether you are conducting a warranty inspection or performing a routine maintenance assessment, the tools, tactics, and techniques used are the same. The order in which you inspect different areas may differ, but there is one universal rule you must follow. Inspecting laps, flashing, drains, and other details must be thorough, comprehensively covering all areas of the roof. Look for any integrity issues and always document your findings. Start your inspection by walking around the perimeter of the roof. Make sure that you are walking against the seams, visually inspecting all membrane seams on the top and side of your parapet walls, and using your seam probe to physically inspect any that appear to be compromised. Ensure a can strip is installed at the base of the wall, as required at all 90-degree angles. Also, be sure to check the caulk on all metal joints. Document any needed repairs or problem areas. If a repair is small and in need of immediate attention, you can add instant value for your client by repairing it with a product like Smart Flash 1 liquid flashing or Smart Coat 365 silicone repair mastic. After the perimeter inspection, you can inspect either the field or the details. I prefer to inspect the details next, as the condition of the details is a good indicator of what I may find in the field. I recommend starting on one end of the roof and working my way across. You should never walk a roof backward. When performing a maintenance inspection for the first time, start by making a roof drawing of all details and penetrations, and check each off as they are inspected. There are multiple conditions to look for when inspecting a drain. First, confirm the drain bowl is present and secure, and check the drain bolts. Then, make sure the drain is clear of debris, such as granules or leaves. Pipe flashing conditions will vary across the roof. Be sure to inspect each one for open seams, cracks, or lifting away from the pipe or field. Curbs and platforms should be inspected similarly to a wall, walking against the seams and utilizing a seam probe or trowel to check for openings. Granule to granule overlap should always have evidence of bleed out. Coping should be inspected to ensure firm attachment. When inspecting the field, check all laps for adherence. End laps should always present evidence of bleed out. Side laps will show bleed out for hot asphalt, cold adhered, and torch welded applications. Also document any ponding or evidence of ponding, such as granule displacement, particularly around condensate lines, drains, and scuppers. Once your inspection is complete, follow your findings accordingly, supplying all necessary documentation and supplementary reports or observations. For further questions, please contact CertainTeed Commercial Roofing Technical Services Department.